In this video, we will see how to download the OMICRON Test Universe video tutorial from the OMICRON customer portal area. Also, we can able to download the PTL file collection from the OMICRON customer portal area, which we can able to use it for later use when we do not have an internet connection on your PC. So it is really helpful when we are in a site and there is no internet connectivity available. It is safe to download when we have a good internet connection on our PC. Before I start how to download, sometimes we are curious where I can able to get an access to this video tutorial post installation of the test universe, or if we are installing the video tutorial without the test universe installation. I will also cover both options. First, I will cover the scenario one where you install test universe. It's better to have the video tutorial on the same PC so you can able to easily launch the test universe home screen. The latest release at the moment is 4.31, and then there is an option in the home screen, setup and support. So we need to select that particular option. There we can able to reach the documentation section. Under that, there is an option for video tutorial, which is not highlighted at the moment because I did not install the video tutorial package. It's a separate standalone installer where we can able to download from the OMICRON customer portal area. So by default, when we install the OMICRON Test Universe, the video tutorials are the optional one. So we can able to go to the OMICRON customer portal area. So you can able to even see the tooltip. When I keep the cursor on top of the video tutorial, it also supports us where we can able to get an access for this information. So we can go to the OMICRON customer portal area. So for this, we need an internet access on our PC, and we can able to use one of the web browser, and then we can go to the OMICRON customer portal area. I will provide you the link where you can able to get an access, and there are so many different benefits that we can able to get from the OMICRON customer portal area that you can able to look at in the description and a different link. So I have already created a account and I will directly log in. So in the top, there is 3 lines that we can able to go from the dashboard, and there is an option for software overview, the first one that we can able to select. So in the down, there are so many different softwares and firmwares for the different OMICRON test sets. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can able to come to the location where we have the test universe software application. So here we have the test universe, and you can also search in the top directly the test universe, and you'll be able to reach the information in quick. So you can able to select show all downloads and info. This option enables us to know about the different information that we can get for the test universe software application. So the software can be downloadable from this level, different operating system compatibility, and the previous version as well. So it is highly recommended to use the latest version of test universe. And if you come down slowly, there we can able to see the what's new document, and then coming down a little bit, there you can get the access to the video tutorial. So you can able to select the collections of video tutorial clip hyperlink, and then if you are using the older version of test universe, there you can also select and download the specific package. So I'm using the latest version, so I can select the first option, collections of video clip, and it will take me to another page that I can see the different sections. So these are the different video tutorials that help us when we really need a support on the user interface level, how to move from one screen to another screen when we are using the different window within the test universe, different test modules. It is well categorized for the setup and the different CMC hardware inputs, outputs, and the connectivity from basic to a little bit overview on advanced level usage for the different test module. And if we scroll down, There you can able to get an option to download the whole package. So here is a link that contains 779 MB. So you can able to select that particular link and it start downloading the complete package for the whole test universe latest tutorial. So depending on the internet speed, takes few minutes. It is very important when you have a good internet connection. So it's highly recommended to download this video tutorial package that support us, and there is a requirement to understand the different test module, how to start and then how to connect and then how to use it, also how to achieve the different application examples that has been covered. By default, when there is a support required on any different test modules, there is an help section. You can always go there. For example, when there is support required related to the quick CMC, which is very basic, and then when you open up and then there you can go to the help section on a specific test module and where you have a doubt. For example, there are two different help sections. You can able to select the middle one, the help section, where you can able to just keep your cursor. For example, what happens, what is mean by hardware configuration. As if you are a new user, and when you click this option in the top right in the middle help section, and then keep your cursor on a specific window location, that will automatically traverse to the right help section, and now you can able to configure the hardware configuration for the different CMC test sets. So this is how you can able to understand the help section from the different test module directly, and in the whole help section document also help when there is a requirement to understand the different test module in overall. So you can able to search very well with the data that you wanted exactly from test universe that need to understand, and individual test modules starting from the basic to advanced test module for different protection matching application testing. So download is almost going to complete. Similarly, we can able to download the OMICRON PTL file collection. So this is related to the OMICRON Test Universe video tutorial. So if you go back a little bit into the customer portal area, and in the top right there is a 3 lines, and you scroll up a little bit. There we can see in the second option, protection testing library, which is a collection of so many different ID vendors. So we can able to select the open library. That will take us to the protection testing library. We can directly download the specific ID make that we really need. And when there is a good internet speed on our PC, and when we have an environment where we can able to get high speed connection, internet connection, then we can download the whole package of PTL file. So there is an option here in the down, complete PTL package with a 2 GB of English localization. This really supports us with a predefined test steps for the different protection scenarios for different manufacturer IDs, and we can able to use those templates to customize according to our setting value for the different projects that we are working on. I can able to just select, so almost the video tutorial is going to complete. The setup is almost done with the download process. I can close the test universe. I can start another download option for complete PTL package. Post processing of download take few seconds. Post processing of test universe video tutorial setup is completed. So we can go to the folder location. So there I can see the test universe tutorial setup, which is compatible for 32-bit. I can able to install, which is also suitable for 64-bit operating system. I can able to install directly. The installation is simple. You can do next by reading the description that we do see in the installer. It's not that complicated. It's in the home screen of the installer. We download the setup for English language, so we can go next, and the location where we wanted to keep the resource files, the videos. This will be by default installed in the C drive program files 86 and the Omicron folder test universe tutorial. And if you would like to change, you can keep the videos in a different drive where we have the space. So I have a space in the C drive. I can keep it default because I have single drive in my laptop. You can go further next, install. The installer is deploying the resource files into the directory where it has to copy all the files from the installer that we can able to use it for our reference, that we can directly launch from the test universe, also from the folder location that we provided. So the installer downloaded and we have installed. So we can open the test universe software application. In the home screen, there is an option setup and support. And I do see now the video tutorial option is enabled. And I can go to this option by selecting it. And it will open from the web browser. There we can access different videos and offline. So even if you are disconnected from the internet on your PC, still you can able to access all these videos because the installer deployed all the videos locally in our PC that we can access without internet access. So this start from the hardware basic, the different CMC test set, and the overview about the license, import and merging, also connection to the CMC on the basic level, and the general test modules and dedicated test module for different protection application like overcurrent advanced distance differential. And then there are so many different test modules for testing the metering application like transducers, network simulations, and the IEC 650 applications like goose configuration, IEC 650 client server, sample value, and the test automation from the OMICRON control center, and how we can able to work with the protection testing library that we also can download from the OMICRON customer portal. So these are the example videos we can access offline, post download and installation of the video tutorial package from the OMICRON customer portal. If you go to the file server, go to the C drive, there we have the program files 86, the directory. Then you can click any one of the folder and type Omicron O. There you reach the different folders. So here we have the Omicron Test Universe tutorial. So here we can see the English folder. Inside there is a videos, and these are the different videos that we are reaching from the Test Universe user interface. So we can copy all these videos. These are MP4 compatible type, so you can even right click and then go more, like file extension. You can see the MP4 file format. You can play with different media player. You can copy all this video and keep it in a different drive, like the extension devices like hard disk and pen drive, or you can easily use it when there is a requirement to refer these videos. You can directly play all these videos and learn how to use a different test module and understand the basic usage. Similarly, we can download the PTL file package and install it. That's also very simple, like the one that which I have downloaded and installed, that we can do in a similar fashion. So that's how we do gain an access to the Test Universe tutorial from the OMICRON customer portal, download it, and we can use it for offline use cases. In case if you would like to use the video tutorial online, you can refer to the OMICRON Energy YouTube channel. In the down, if you scroll, there is an English playlist. There you can select Test Universe English. So here you can get an access to the videos for the different test modules online. For example, in case if you need more support on how to access or if you face any problem from the different Test Universe test modules, it is recommended to contact the OMICRON technical support or directly the regional application engineers responsible for the protection application. So you can reach the OMICRON webpage. Under the support line category, there is a technical support option. So in the down, there are different support line email. Depending on your location, you can choose the right email support line and write your custom query, and you'll get a right support from the responsible technical support team from OMICRON. Thank you. Take care. Bye.